good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just about finished tying up and we're about to get fishing over here. I'm gonna try and get on some trout. Hopefully we get some good action today because we're day tripping and we're pretty far away from home. Alright guys, anyways, I hope you enjoy and cool. No fish, caught a log. Alright, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Let's get into it. No, I missed him. Dang it. Hey, that was a pretty good one though. There's a nice little trout down there for sure. I just saw him. So if I can make a perfect cast into there, and I think I can catch him. Ora, sorry. Oh, nice. Petit. All right, guys, look at that brown. That's a beauty. I mean, I'll get this guy unhooked and we'll see what we do with him. Probably gonna keep him, so I'll put him out of his misery real quick and clean him up. Just got this guy cleaned up and he's now ready. Okay, I don't know if that was a fish or not, but I got something. That must have been a fish though. It kind of tore up my bait. I just caught I think I caught a fish and it snagged me up on that tree and left.
Meanwhile, that fish.
There we go. Whoa. This guy's a fighter. Cool. Come up. All right. Whoa. No! Hang up, buddy. This place ought to be nice. I feel some fish in here.
nope.
Well, I'm taking a pit stop and I've just realized that I have a chocolate pie in my pocket. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Another one. And then back. There it goes.
I want to see if I can get one on camera for you guys because I was just trying to conserve battery, but that doesn't make for a great YouTube video now, does it? No, but maybe it's the better option in terms of the curse. Oh wait, you guys don't know about that yet, huh? Come on. Alright. No, see? The curse of the GoPro is real. I don't believe it.
I have witnesses to prove this. Every time this stupid camera is on and I set the hook, my fish falls off. Every single time. And it's so freaking consistent. Jeez.
No, Parosha. Well, here's another one, guys. I wasn't recording, but there he is. Cool.
Oh, come on, get off.
Left all the graphic work off camera, but I just got this second one that I caught and kept gutted. So I'll blur this so YouTube doesn't demonetize the video, but yeah, this is all cleaned up and ready to go. I think I'll just get some of this like small stuff out. I'm gonna go back up and just wait for the others to get back. I think we're pretty much done covering this portion of the river. We might go a bit downstream and do some more fishing. I don't know yet. I'll have to consult the others to see. But anyways, I think that's as clean as these are ever gonna get. So, all right, make sure they're nice and tight around me. All right, anyways, guys, I'm gonna wash up, get my rod, and climb back up. See you guys up there. Just roll the time lapse of me trying to get up this mountain, can't we? Anyways, we caught a fair amount of fish. Those are some pretty decent trout. We're gonna go now have some lunch, I guess you could call it. We're just gonna snack on something. Gonna go down lower, down this river with the car, get out in another spot, walk down, and see if we can get on some more fish. Hopefully. I think I'm gonna probably put a spinner on here and try and catch something with that. I don't know, we'll see what we do. Well, all that we did do was get this one lucky catch out of this here fast water, and I will admit I spent way too long trying to figure out how to boat flip it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to check out these related videos if you want to watch more of my stuff, and if you would hit that subscribe button, it really does help me out a ton if you want to support the channel. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you on the next one. I just found the cliff diving spot for whoever's interested, although it is it's a little too shallow. You'll probably break your legs at the bottom. I just watched this tiny, like, minnow-sized trout smash the bait.